All right, we're almost there. This is one of the last videos on how to buy a house, our video series. And today is congratulations, now that you're under contract, we're almost ready to close. So about 24 hours before closing, we want to make sure we have a final walkthrough, and that's to make sure the condition of the home has been met by any inspection objections or resolutions we may have. If the sellers in the process of moving out, they haven't damaged the home. So we want to make sure the house is in the same condition when we first went under contract or in the inspection. So after we do the final walkthrough, we go to the title company, and that's set up by our transaction coordinator. She's gonna reach out to all parties, making sure we're ready to close and go into the title company. So make sure you have 2 forms of ID, a driver's license and a credit card could work really well at the closing, just to make sure that you're the person that's purchasing the home. And also make sure you have the cashier's check or the wire instructions, or wire the funds the night before to the title company, so we don't have a delay at closing. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Our information, it's gonna be at the end of this video. Have a great day.